Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to change when your computer sleeps on your Windows 11 PC or laptop, right? So all you have to do guys is just simply press the Windows key on your keyboard or laptop and type in control panel, right? You'll find the control panel, click on that. Then you want to look for power options. Just in case your view is not looking like this, it could be in a category view or it could also be in a small view. You want to either switch it to the large view or the small view and you'll be able to find the power options. You can click on that. Now once you're here, you will see on the upper left hand side change when the computer sleeps, right? So you can click on that. Now here you have two options: turn off the display, and you can have that turn off within a few minutes. You can choose it. You have a bunch of different minutes there that you can choose, even up to 5 hours, and choose never as well. And you also have the option that says put the computer to sleep. Right now on both battery and plugged in, you can see I have it to never, but you can always change that from 1 minute all the way up to 5 hours. So once you go ahead and change that, let's say I want to switch this to when my computer is on battery, I want it to sleep, let's say after 30 minutes, I can choose that and simply click on save changes. And that's it. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.